Hello guys! It's nice to have you back in my channel. We are here at the Asian store in Mannheim city to find ingredients that I often use at home. There are actually a number of Asian stores here in Mannheim, but this is one of the spacious stores and is the closest to where we live. So let's see what we can find here. Here are the canned sardines in tomato sauce, which is the most popular product in the Philippines. We actually have a lot of recipes with this. It could be with vegetables or with noodles. That's why I have this at home all the time. The tom yum, I just want to show. And here are skyflakes crackers, also the most popular one among Filipinos. These are dried mangoes, very delicious, and this is also a Filipino product. And these ginger bonbons, these are really good. We love to have this, especially during winter. They are in small packs and they are kind of chewy and sweet. Here is an aisle of instant noodles, but nowhere is noodles from the Philippines. Pancit Canton I'm looking, but there's nothing. There is nothing really from the Philippines. Here are mungo beans, different kinds of sesame seeds. Also here are tapioca pearls in different sizes, which are used widely also in the Philippines. We have them in our sweet drinks and also in desserts and snacks. These here are really good sugar products, especially this palm sugar. I love this for our biko, sweet glutinous rice. Here are sushi products, wasabi pastes, and nori sheets. I usually buy them from here. These are the egg noodles that I usually use for fried noodles. My friend's favorite. These are noodles area. There's one I really like here for soup. This one. This area are flour. I need. This one is for puto, rice puto. I need this. And glutinous, I think I still have. We have glutinous rice meal. Yeah, we can try. So, looking around for Filipino products, which are. These here are different kinds of pastes. Down there, sauces. And many more sauces. Teriyaki sauce are there. Many of these I haven't tried. Oh, here are tom yum pastes. These two different sauces are the ones we normally use for our spring rolls to dip. Sushi, sesame oil. We'll ask. Here the mamacita is empty. We have nothing for sinigang. They only have palabok. But I need sinigang mix. Here is UFC banana sauce. I remember in my childhood, we always loved to have this, to dip anything into it. So here comes the rice section. This is what I always buy for our sushi rice. It's really good. I could highly recommend it. This is the glutinous rice that we always use for suman. The sweet glutinous rice with coconut milk and banana leaves, and also for biko, a caramelized glutinous rice, also with coconut milk. So now we are going to look at the rice. Basically, this is my favorite rice, milagrosa. So chili, there is sayote. In this fresh vegetable section, I always take bean sprouts. I love this. Bok choy. And at times I take also stalks of fresh lemongrass. And chili, they can be frozen so it could stay long. You don't have to buy every time we need it. Now we are in the fish section. Everything is frozen. Actually, this anchovies is good. To fry. How I miss the times when I was back home in the island, in Nugget Island. We all have the luxury to have fresh fish every day. And it really tastes so different from all this frozen stuff here. Here are frozen shrimps. I think they are mainly from Asia. So this is the gyoza skin that we use for dumplings. Did I two? There's a different one also. This is for siomai.
The green one?
Yeah. This is our food. So we buy. And this we buy. This is our spring rolls. And there, here is the cassava. This root crop cassava is very popular also in the Philippines, and I think also in South America. For me, there's okra, frozen. Sometimes you could also buy this fresh here in Germany, and this is my favorite. I steam it and dip it in a soy sauce with lemon. There is the langka. We take more. And this is the tom kha gai. Yeah, it's enough. We still have at home. This is the mix of tom kha gai when we make Thai soup. And this is, what is this? Gabi, taro. And I need banana bleta. And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. I always thank you for all your support, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I look forward to share with you another interesting and nice content hopefully very soon. Until then,